Hello friends, welcome to Soft Skill chapter. Dear friends, presently all of you adopting a technical education. It's absolutely a right decision by you people by imparting such a brightful education which provide you a good career in future. This education not only give you the best career in our nation but a better opportunity to go overseas also. To achieve success in our life, it is necessary to impart some soft skill techniques along with our education. So, friends, myself, Professor Nimbalkar GC, delivering here a new concept, that is interview techniques, which is useful for our final year students to attend various campus interviews organized by our college. Well, we start with the session. What is an interview? Dear friends, an interview is an essentially structured a conversation between an interviewer and interviewee. The interviewer asks the questions, whereas an interviewee gives the answer to these questions. We move to the next slides. Let's assume in upcoming days you are going to face an interview in various reputed organizations. Now it makes you crucial to prepare for interview in a good manner. So we discuss some important points how to prepare for an interview. Point number 1. Prepare your resume or CV or application form or your biographical data such that it is attracted by the employer. Point number 2. It is necessary to put how you are fit for the job in that organization. Point number 3. Check the website of the organization to which you are preparing for an interview. What kind of job profile is there? What kind of skills they are required and needful knowledge, company literature. So this help you while interacting with the interviewer. Point number 4. Keep in mind what things are mentioned in your CV. CV means your curriculum vitae, so that you can respond to any kind of questions during the interview session. Point number 5. An oftenly asking question is that why are you applying for this job? You have to produce a satisfactory answer to this question. Point number 6. You have to reach the interview place on time, which deliberate you a sense of mind. Point number 7. Plan your route. How long will it take to reach there? It is nothing but study your interview place from your residence, decide your routes, how much time required to reach that place and what kind of sources of travels you have available there. So you can go through these points before reach to the interview place. And finally, point number 8, prepare well by knowledge, by verbal and non-verbal communication, and keep positive attitude during interview session. Now we move to the next slide. Dress for success. Okay, now we move towards your self appearance while you are preparing for an interview. Point number 1, the most crucial point is about your dressing. It is essentially the boys can wear a neatly and cleanly dress, preferably light color shirt and dark color pant. If it is probable, you can wear a suit of dark and plain color. If the girls are attending for the interviews, the girls prefer the Punjabian salwar and pajama with a coordinating jackets if possible, and keep less jewelry or ornaments along with you. Point number 2, your shoes should be comfortable to you and that are should be kept clean. Thirdly, keep your hairs should be neatly. Point number 4, your visual appearance is very important to put an impression over the interviewer. Next, now consider the day become and you are going for an interview. So what are the points to be taken into consideration? Those points we discuss in this slide. Point number 1, take a copy of your application form or CV with you in a folder along with a pen, a paper and organizational contact number if necessary. Point number 2, reach the interview place in plenty time. Third, register your presence at reception counter with a pleasant and calm nature. Point number 4, turn off your mobile phone before entering the interview hall. Point number 5, take a deep breath and put a smile face when you enter in the interview hall. Okay students, we go for the next slide. During the interview, in this slide we come to know what points are to be kept in mind while you are entered in the interview hall. Point number 1, give a gentle handshake to all the members of interview. Sit on your chair when they told you to sit down, unless you have to stand in front of the interviewers. Keep your eye contacts towards the interviewers always. Don't render your face left and right, top and bottom. Maintain a smile on your face continuously. And point number 2, most important point, to be aware from your verbal and non-verbal communication skills. Now we move towards the what are the verbal and non-verbal communication skills are required to know. So students, we will discuss here the first of all the verbal communication factors. Point number 1, show your eagerness, genuine interest for the interview. Point number 2, well, listen the asked questions and answers properly. Point number 3, never argue with your interviewer on any clause. Point number 4, if you don't hear the questions neatly, you keep a request to repeat the question in front of your interviewer. Point number 5, don't interrupt for anything during an interview. Okay. So now you move to the non-verbal communication. So this skill regards with your behavior, your movements, your attention, and your gesture, body language during the interview session. So keep in mind the following points. Point number 1, be seated neatly on your chair. Second, if you are carrying something material along with you, that can be kept on a floor inside the hall and don't carry it to the interview table. Keep in mind. Point number 3, don't keep your hand on the interview table. Please place your hands on your thighs. Point number 4, point your head always towards the interviewer. Point number 5, do not fidget. So what you mean by fidget? Fidget means don't show any uncomfortness in your body language, or you are feeling something bad. So this makes you negative side for the interviewers. Point number 7, maintain seriousness and smile throughout the interview session. Now we discuss what are the types of interviews are there. There are several types of interview techniques are there. We discuss some frequently used types of interviews here with. The first one-to-one interview type. In this method of interview, a single interviewer is there and carry the interview session. This is the simplest method of interview type. Second, it is a panel type of interview. In this method, the number of interviewers are 3 or more than 3, maybe 4 members or 5 members or 6 members are there, and the interviewee has to face all the panel members. This is a popular type of interview and oftenly used in large scale industries. The third type of interview is a group interview type. In this method, there are several number of applicants answering the questions in individual manner or as a part of a group. In such interviews, topics are given for the group discussion or for the demos or for the presentation, either individually or grouply. Next, Dear friends, we come to know some typical questions which are frequently asked during the interview, and you have to prepare the proper and satisfactory answer to those questions. So these questions are here. The first one, tell me about yourself. It means you have to produce yourself, your introduction properly. Second, why you are applying for this job. Third, why have you applied to this company. Fourth, what evidence can you offer that demonstrates you have the skill we are seeking. This is the important one. So according to the requirement of their skill or job profile, you have to put the evidence in front of the employers how you are fit for that post or fit for that job. And the next one, can you give an example of a problem you have solved? Next one, why did you choose your particular degree? It means you have completed your degrees in ENTC, in mechanical, in electrical, in computer. So the question is such that why you are particularly selected this type of degree for your career. So we have to put the proper answer if this question is asked during the interview section. And the next one, what are your strengths and weaknesses are there. It means what you have the strong points and what are your weak points are there. So you have to well prepared about these points and keep these proper answers in front of the interviewers. The next one, what do you see yourself in 5 years time? After the next 5 years, what is the status of your level? So that should be explained in this point. And finally, what do you do in your leisure time? It means at the spare time what you are doing. So we have to put here the proper points when you are in spare time. Okay friends, finally we come to the end of the interview. So in this slide, after the completion of your interview, you do your good manner. The first one is give thanks to all interviewers. Second, stay at interview place till the end of interview session or till the order given from the employer side. And the third one is, if you have not heard from the company after the agreed time, contact them to find out if they have had a time to make a decision. So finally we conclude here some summary points by taking what are the things we have to do during the interview section and what are the things that are not to do during the interview sections. So we will overview these points one by one. So first of all, we see here what things we have to do during the interview section. The first one, remember that the first appearance count how you dress and act. Secondly, smile, make eye contact and acknowledge all members of an interview panel. Third one, shake hands in a firm but gentle way, not a cursingly strong. Fourth one, wait to be asked to sit down. that is important. The next one, make sure you sit correctly and comfortably before starting the interview. And next one, show interest. And finally, answer the questions asked properly. So these are the things you have to do during the interview session. And next we move to the things we have to don't make these points take into the consideration. The first one points, don't be late for the interview. Second, don't visit or look at watch. Don't argue during the interview section. Don't put anything on the interviewer desk or table. Don't say anything negative. Don't appear indifferent. Don't appear aggressive or act in a superior way. Nobody like this. And finally, don't show too much interest in money and holidays. These are the important points that we take into the consideration as a do's and don'ts. So friends, I think I had covered much of your key factors to become interview success. I hope you will be sure to remind these points that we discussed here with. The best of luck for your bright future, and I conclude here my session. Thank you.